I'm Simon Mole and I am a poet. The theme of National Poetry Day this year is choice. Now, when I was a kid, sometimes my dad used to try and make it sound like I could choose something. Try and make it sound like something was up to me, when really he'd already decided. Which pyjamas will you wear for your early bed tonight? What snack would you like for your early bed tonight? Which story will you choose for early bed tonight? But what are the three key words in all of those questions? Early bed tonight. The real decision had already been made. I don't like this one bit, I thought. Time for a change. So when Dad asked me, would you like to do your Friday night homework with a milk or with a juice? Inside, I was furious. Friday night homework? But I played it cool. No thanks, Dad. I'm quite happy building this Triceratops spaceship out of Lego. But since you asked about drinks, maybe you could fill the bath with lemonade and then find a straw that's long enough to stretch from the bathroom to here, where I am on the floor of my bedroom, so I can slurp the whole lot without moving. That'd be great. Thanks, Dad. And you know what? He did it. Straight to the shop for the lemonade, 27 bottles, all well, okay, actually, he didn't. But he did let me off the homework and join in with the Lego, which was one of my favourite things to do back then. I also liked drawing, dancing, playing chess. Before we do any writing today, I want you to take a moment to think of a few hobbies or activities that you enjoy. You can do this on your own or by having a quick chat with the person that you're sitting next to. So, pause the video to think of a few things you enjoy and then hit play when you're done. Today, in this workshop, you are going to write an absolutely awesome poem. And all the big decisions are up to you. Well, apart from the title. I mean, you can come back and change it later if you want, but for now, you're going to write Dream Day at the top of your page. Pause the video to do that, and then hit play when you're ready to get going. Okay, so it's your dream day. It's up to you. What are you going to have for breakfast? I'm having 2 scoops of triple pickled pineapple blast and 1 scoop of dinosaur flashback. Now they're some ice cream flavours that I just made up, so you can make something up if you want to, or you can have something else. And if you really genuinely want the same cereal that you have every day anyway, then that's fine. But the chance like this doesn't come around very often, so think big. Pause the video now to write breakfast and then what you're having. Hit play when you're ready to move on. Nice one. Well done. Now I want to know about weather. What weather will you choose for your dream day? Once you've picked, I want you to write a short sentence about that type of weather that uses alliteration. As many words as you can in your line are going to start with the same sound. So maybe rain rattles rooftops, or the sun sparkles on the sea, the wind whispers to me. It doesn't have to be every word in the line, just as many as you can. Pause the video now to have a go at that, and then hit play when you're ready to move on. Great stuff. Who are you going to share your dream day with? Will it be friends, family, pets, a hero that you'd like to meet, a character from a film or a book, maybe your shadow, your future self? I'm going to choose my 2 kids. Pause the video to note your ideas down and then hit play when you're ready for our next prompt. All right, now it is time to really have some fun. I want you to think of an activity that you enjoy. So it could be one of the ones that you thought of earlier. But then instead of just writing cricket or drawing or whatever, you're going to times it by 10. You're going to make it 10 times more exciting, 10 times more fun, So for drawing, maybe I'll say I sketch a smile on the side of a skyscraper, and the pencil is so big that it's carried by a crane, and Van Gogh is there helping me out. For cricket, I could play with the England team on a floating pitch, hundreds of meters above the ocean, with hungry sharks snapping away as they try to catch us out. Whatever, you get the idea. Pause the video to times 10 an activity that you like, and then hit play when you're ready for our next prompt. Okay, I'd like you to put your pens and pencils down, please. In a moment, I'm going to time you for 10 seconds, and I want you to see how many blue things you can spot around you, whether you're in the classroom or at home. How many blue things can you spot where you are in 10 seconds, starting now? Stop. How many blue things did you spot? I want you to use that number somehow in the next line of your poem. Pause the video to do that now, and then hit play when you're ready to move on. All right, so it's your dream day, but what will the soundtrack be? You could pick one of your favorite songs, or it could be a song that you've never heard of before that you've just imagined or made up. Or maybe it's the sounds that you hear around you. It could be a seagull, or even better, try to describe that sound, the squawk of a seagull, or if it's laughter, is it a chuckle or a chortle? Is it a howl or a hoot? Pause the video to note down your dream day soundtrack now, and then hit play when you're ready for our final prompt. Great stuff. Last one now, and I want to know about bedtime on your dream day. Where do you sleep? What do you think of as you drift off? What are you wearing? I might say that I sleep curled up on my side, and I'm thinking about the adventures I've had in the day. Or maybe I'm in a hammock on a tropical beach. Pause the video to note your thoughts down, and then hit play when you're ready to have some fun with all of your answers. Well done. Your dream day is complete. In a moment, I want you to read your answers aloud to yourself. Is there anything that you want to add? Or maybe there's something that you want to take out. Remember that small changes will make a big difference to how your poem turns out in the end. So really think carefully about what you're going to do here. Perhaps you'll change the order, or maybe you like it exactly how it is. Whatever you decide, I would love to read your poem when it's finished. So please do whack it up in the comments underneath the video. Here's how mine turned out. Breakfast. 2 scoops of triple pickled pineapple blast. Rain rattles rooftops. Puddles grow to ponds. And in the middle of the river our road has become. Me and my kids float along on our sofa. My 6-year-old turns on the telly and sees himself sketching a smile on the side of a skyscraper with a pencil so big it is carried by a crane. The smile sings us a song that I've never heard before, but somehow it reminds me of home. At night I dream of a desk in a forest where I sit down and write this poem. If you've enjoyed this workshop today, I also run live poetry workshops online. They're a bit like these videos, but you can ask me questions as we go and share your work with the other young people that are doing the session. The link to sign up for free is in the description. The National Poetry Day website has got enough activities and ideas to keep you going for a whole year round until next Poetry Day, and then some more, so definitely check that out too. Thanks for watching.